Welcome to the Daily Health Update. I'm your host, Dr. Ji Singh, bringing you the top medical news stories for Wednesday, December 3rd, 2025. We've got breakthroughs in hair loss treatment, new insights into brain cancer therapies, and a critical warning about an old public health threat. First up, a potential game changer for millions suffering from male pattern baldness. Cosmo Pharmaceuticals has announced overwhelmingly positive Phase 3 trial results for their new topical solution, clascoterone 5%. This is the first major therapeutic breakthrough for hair loss in over 3 decades, working by blocking the specific hormone linked to balding directly at the follicle. Patients in the trials saw significant improvements, offering new hope without the systemic side effects of current oral medications. Next, promising developments in cancer research. MIT chemists have successfully synthesized a fungal compound, verticillin A, and preliminary studies show its derivatives can effectively kill certain types of aggressive brain cancer cells, known as gliomas. This research is in its early stages, but it presents an exciting new avenue for treating one of the deadliest cancers. On a more urgent public health note, doctors are issuing a warning today about a potentially deadly, but preventable, threat. Health officials are pushing for continued vigilance with the hepatitis B vaccine for newborns. A new report emphasizes that delaying this crucial shot could lead to a resurgence of liver failure cases, underscoring the importance of adhering to recommended immunization schedules to protect our most vulnerable. Clinical takeaways. Mild dilatation of the main pancreatic duct is a risk factor for pancreatic cancer in high-risk individuals, according to data from a prospective cohort study. The cumulative probability of high-grade dysplasia or pancreatic cancer with baseline dilatation was 16% at 5 years and 26% at 10 years. Those with any dilatation were 2.6 times more likely to progress, particularly those with 3 or more pancreatic cysts during surveillance. MedPage Today. A quarter to half of healthy infants born at term are infected with RSV in the first year of life, and 2 to 3% have small airway bronchiolitis and lower respiratory tract infection that requires hospital admission. In a population-based study, an RSV bronchiolitis hospitalization in the first 6 months of life conferred a threefold increased cumulative risk of asthma, while parental asthma without RSV hospitalization roughly doubled the risk. The highest asthma risk was seen in children both hospitalized for *RSV bronchiolitis and born to an asthmatic mother or an asthmatic father. MedPage Today. Fatty liver could be the most common disease you've never heard of. At least 1 out of 4 adults have it, and lots of those who have it may not know they have it, or even what it is. Most times, this liver disease is mild, but it can lead to more serious health problems. WebMD. In a world-first medical breakthrough, South Korean scientists have successfully implanted a 3D printed windpipe trachea into a woman who had lost part of hers to thyroid cancer surgery. The artificial trachea was created using bioinks made from living cells, including cartilage and mucosal cells, combined with a biodegradable polymer scaffold, PCL, that provides strength while allowing new tissue to grow. Within just 6 months, doctors observed healthy blood vessels forming around the implant, a sign that the patient's body was accepting and regenerating the tissue naturally. Even more impressive, no immunosuppressant drugs were needed since the trachea was built from the patient's own cells. The project was led by Seoul St. Mary's Hospital and TNR Biofab, marking a huge step forward for bioengineering and regenerative medicine. Experts believe this technology could soon lead to fully 3D printed organs like lungs, kidneys, and hearts. A new era of medicine is unfolding where organs aren't donated, they're designed and grown. Also making headlines. New drug application for baxdrostat, aimed at treating hard-to-control high blood pressure, has been accepted for priority review by the FDA. New research reveals a link between a specific body trait and a younger, healthier brain, with insights published today in the latest medical journals. And researchers continue to explore the connection between physical activity at different life stages and a reduced risk of dementia. That's your medical news update for today. Stay informed, stay healthy. Please make sure to subscribe my channel for more health headlines. We'll see you next time. Disclaimer: use the content after verification.